Uh, this stereo has started a problem in lockdown. Uh, all of the sudden, the sound of the stereo has gone down. I cannot see the sound output in any of the speakers. All the speakers, every wirings are working fine. Even I can listen to the radio, but cannot listen anything on there on the stereo. So let's see. So I just go to MX player and I just played a video file. This is one of the video file. Okay, I'll just say start over, and then as you can see that if I'm trying to make the volume up and down, there is no sound is coming. Okay, that's one issue. And now even if I try to play a music file and any mp3 file or something like that, it won't play that also. So if you see that if I go to play a music file, this is one of my music folder. Sorry, there must be some file to play music. If I go here, as you can see that there is a one music file. If I just open it, I just resume it. Now let's see that this also doesn't have any sound. Okay, now if you see, if I go back to a radio option, there is a radio. So if I play the radio, and if I just go back to some channel, you can see that
ये जीना भी ना जीना भी है दोनों का तुमसे ही वास्ता मैं ही तो हूँ तेरा
is playing. If I go to a car setting, just to show you that all these things are properly set up. Okay, if I go to a sound option, as you can see here, okay, it's everything is there. Okay, now let me just go back to the sound equalizer, that is also there. Now if I go back to car settings, just go back to car settings. Now if you see the volume here is also looks fine. And if I go to video option, as you can see that, okay, everything is looks perfect. I have tried if you see that this is also fine. I have tried to reset using this reset button. There is a reset button here that I have tried this. Even I have tried to hard reset by doing the factory setting. So this option, if I go to the car option, settings option, then there is a restore option is there. If I go back to this, there is an option to reset. I think it must be in the car. Yeah, it's in the car setting. So if I go back to car setting, so here is the car setting. Now if I go back about device, looks fine. Okay, if I go back here, there is a common operation. I have tried this option also, erase content, erase all setting. These two also I have tried, but still there is no sound. So I play again a video. So I go to a local folder, max file, pick up any file, say start over, no video.